POV. You want plants, but you're a serial plant killer. Why do my plants always look like they need therapy? Seriously, even my fake plants look depressed. Ever tried watering a cactus and still failed? Me. This time I'll keep it alive. Plant and wilts in 0.2 seconds. My green thumb? More like a brown disaster. But wait, what if I told you there's hope? Introducing Dahey Wall Planter with Faux Eucalyptus. Yes, fake. As in impossible to kill. No water, no sunlight, no guilt trips. Just hang it up and instantly look like a plant pro. Your guess, wow, you must love gardening. Me. Nods while hiding watering can. Rustic farmhouse vibes. Check. Modern minimalist chic? Double check. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, or your secret snack corner. Space-saving vertical design because floors are for shoes, not pots. Easy wall mount, even I can do it. And I can't even assemble IKEA. Comes with two, so you can flex twice as hard. Artificial eucalyptus so real, even bees get confused. No more sad, crispy leaves haunting your dreams. No more soil spills that look like you adopted a pet mole. No more apologizing to your plants for neglect. Just pure, effortless greenery, Instagram-ready 24/7. Home office looking dead? Boom! Instant vibe. Kitchen missing life? Boom! Greenery without the grocery store smell. Living room needs a glow-up? Boom! Farmhouse chic in 3 seconds. No sunlight? No problem. These plants thrive in the dark. No time? No worries. They literally do nothing all day. Allergic to pollen? These won't make you sneeze. Pet chews everything? Good luck, Fluffy. These are indestructible. Even your cat will be like, is this real? Perfect gift for plant lovers who can't commit. Or for busy professionals who barely commit to lunch breaks. Or for anyone whose plants have an expiration date. No more awkward plant funerals. No more pretending you know what root rot means. Just hang, admire, repeat. Did I mention it's Amazon Prime? Fast shipping, baby. Order today, hang tomorrow, brag forever. Still not convinced? Let's recap. Zero maintenance, zero drama, maximum style, maximum flex. Rustic wood? Yes. Realistic eucalyptus? Yes. Easy install? Yes. Judgmental plant goes? No. Your wall? Finally, some personality. Your friends? Is that real? It's really awesome. No more plant shaming. No more plant apps sending you reminders. Just pure effortless aesthetic. Fits any decor, farmhouse, modern, boho, or I just moved in. Even your Zoom background will thank you. Level up your home office game. Or finally impress your mother-in-law. Or just hide that weird wall stain. 2 planters, endless possibilities. Hang them side by side or go wild. Stack them, stagger them, create a green masterpiece. No green thumb required. No sunlight required. No effort required. Just good vibes and great walls. Ready to fake it till you make it? Click now and let your walls do the flexing. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.